Hey Adam, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Tara, who thought you might be interested in the video I'm about to show you. We're going to just give you a few tips that you guys can apply right away to increase your online visibility and get more of those organic leads. So, the important thing to mention is that 70% of your organic leads are going to stem from your website. So it is important that your website be fully optimized in order to be found and capture those leads. So as you can see, we are on your website and you have a decent looking website. It looks like you have separate pages for each of your major services, which is perfect. It's exactly what you need. Okay. Looks like you have a pretty wide service area, a local service area, and nationwide. So in addition to your service pages, you're going to need service area pages, at least a separate page for each of your central Kansas areas that you service that have any search volume. And then maybe focus on national keywords for your national emergency services. It looks like you have a little bit of content here. It looks like you have an attempt at some national keywords, but it is going to be important that you focus on the local keywords so that you can be found in your local area. Google does not rank a website based on appearance. It is based on content. So content is going to be key when it comes to ranking for all of your services and your service areas. So Google wants a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage or more depending on your competitors. So if your competitors have more, you're going to need more. And that content needs to be focused around your local buyer intent keywords. So in the Wichita area would be your local keywords. And you want keywords that people are actively searching for the services you offer. They may not know the name of your company, but they do know the services that they need. And so those are going to be the services that they're searching for and that your content needs to be built around. You need 100 to 150 words for every keyword you're trying to rank for, and all of your pages must have their own original content focused around their keywords. Google uses robots called crawlers that go and index each of these pages, pulling out your content and indexing you for keywords. So it is very important that you dial in those keywords and keyword strategy. As far as your nationwide, this is the only page that I would focus on national keywords. And for each of the type of disaster restoration type of services you provide, so that you can rank for those type of keywords and be found nationally when a disaster like these happen again. You definitely want to be the first person that people call when those emergencies happen. This is one of your number one competitors in Wichita, Stover's Restoration. They have a nice website. They have separate pages for each of the services they offer. They are dialing in on those local buyer intent keywords that we just talked about. But they don't have a whole lot of content on their page. So you definitely need more content than they do. But they also have these separate service area pages that I mentioned. So these are going to be critical for you in order to be found in these areas for the services that you have to offer. This is a program called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how your website performs. You have a 2.2 rating out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google does not trust your website, and that is because of your referring domains and backlinks. You have a lot of backlinks to have such a low score. With 1,600 backlinks, you should have a much higher score for your domain as a whole. So what this says is that you have a lot of backlinks that are either spam or poor quality, that are unrelated to your industry, or are no follows. Backlinks are critical to ranking, but not all backlinks are created equal. So you do need high authority backlinks, and you need to have more backlinks than your competitors, but also better quality backlinks than your competitors. It looks like most of your backlinks are all being pushed to your home page, which can help to rank for your home page, but isn't really helping you to be found for your services and your service areas. So those backlinks really do need to be spread out and be tied to your keywords so you can rank higher and be found. You've only been indexed for 95 keywords, and you're seeing about 83 people on average to your website. So you're missing out on a ton of traffic. Looking at your organic keywords, you do have probably about 10 keywords that have made it to the first page, but majority of it is brand based. So you're still going to have to work on those keywords. Your competitor has a rank of 17 with only 893 backlinks. So that shows you that not all backlinks are created equal. So again, you do need more backlinks and higher quality. They have over 377 keywords indexed, and they're seeing 173 people in traffic because they're ranking higher for those keywords. But again, they're missing out on a considerable amount of traffic as well. So these guys are going to be fairly easy for you to beat. Your backlinks, out of all your backlinks, about half of them are do follows. So more than half of your backlinks are actually not helping you. Now, what a backlink is when one website links to another website and drives traffic to the website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your business and industry, the more power and authority it's going to give you. And when they are do follows, they will share the power from those websites and help you to rank faster. And then you need to make sure that you're tying these with your keywords so you can rank for them for each of your service pages and service areas and be found for your services. This is the Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because 30% of people come directly to the maps and don't go anywhere else. So if you're not in the top 3, you're sending all of those leads to your competitors. In order to be in the top 3, there are a number of factors, but the most important are citations, which is the name of the business, an address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like LinkedIn, Dex, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your keywords in your service area. We hope that you found this video to be helpful and that you'll be able to implement these strategies that we've given you so that you can rank higher in Google and get those organic leads. We definitely love some feedback on the video and what you thought. And if you have any need for help to get this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.